Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some project shares showing some examples of my design team dies. These are from KLJYP store and also KS Craft. So the first one is this file folder one, and it comes with a ton of pieces that I didn't use because I don't know how I'm going to decorate it yet because I'm not in the Christmas mood yet, honestly. I'm still full-blown Halloween, but I am on a design team, and so I'm working with the dies as they come in, and so you guys can order plenty in advance so that it gets here before Christmas. So that is the file folder, and I cut it out in Christmas papers. I had to dig out a Christmas folder, like, okay, I need some Christmas papers. It does come with the layering piece right here, which is the green. I did go ahead and stitch it, even though it already has stitching detail on there. So it's a scalloped part, and then I cut this green part out. I cut it out again in just like a lighter pink and kind of did it as pages. And then it does come with these little tabs. So it comes with this one, this shape, and it just folds over the paper so you can see it on the back as well. So that'd be really cute if you stitched it. And then this one, which is down a little bit lower, and you can do this one reverse, flip it like this so you have a tab exactly right here as well if you added another page to this if you wanted to. But I think this would be a super cute little embellishment, flatter embellishments, just because this gusset spine thingy is only like probably 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch, not even, super tiny. So your embellishments can't be too big and juicy. So I could just decorate that right there. Again, it came with like tickets, looks like a pen, little clipboard, embellishments as well. Next is this one, again, a new super cute die. It does come with 4 toppers. It's basically a large tag die. And this is the tag right here. I did go ahead and stitch it in like a lighter pink, even though it does have stitching details on it. But you can do, you know, 4 different toppers if you'd like, or backs double-sided if you have like different embellishments. Here's this one. The bottoms is what changes. That one, and then the lighter pink like so. And you can add a little plastic CeeLo bag in between this. This is be a fun way to gift beads. You can stitch this on there and leave it flat, kind of like Christina did, and you can always do a like a pokey tool. I know this one's like kind of longer, but you can just, it still fits on this paper and it's cute. Or like a beaded pen, like so. Or a spoon. Okay, where did my spoon go? I don't know. It's somewhere in a bowl. Or like any type of dangles, I think would be really, really cute with this. So you get the 4 topper pieces for that guy. Next is this one. This is a heart shaker, and it does come with the layering word joy. So this is it right here. I just did the Hey Santa pink paper in the background, and then I added little like peppermint shaker bits and little flat back heart clear diamonds, and then I would add some like, you know, string and ribbon to make this a full-blown ornament. And then I puffed up the words joy with some gold foil paper. This one, ooh, one of my favorites for the Christmas holiday. It's a little gingerbread shaker house, and you can leave it an open gingerbread house, so like this, where it's just a clear, this is your frame and this is all clear. Or you can add this top piece. Once you do that, you can add this top piece to cover it, and only your shaker shows through the windows and the doors, which is how I did it. And this is it right here. How adorable is this little shaker? I did some fun, colorful little candy swirl peppermints in the windows. Well, the whole thing is a shaker, and then I just layered it with this. All of the windows do come with like little circle framelets. I just did that in red. Little snow topper for the door, snow topper for the roof line as well. The roof line also has stitching detail. And then the little, you know, like gingerbread swirly thingies, whatever these are, frosting pipe things. I did that in a chunky white glitter, and I am running out of that paper. So if you guys know, or chunky white glitter like this, that's not, doesn't have a hue of pink, yellow, green. This is just pure white chunky glitter. Hobby Lobby stopped carrying it. I'm so sad. And then I added peppermint swirls in between these little gumdrops. I just did the gumdrops in all red. Such a cute embellishment. Look how tiny it is. It's in the palm of my hand. So cute. Next is this one. This is actually a popcorn die. I just did it in like a Christmas theme, because everybody, I think of popcorn when I think of Christmas as well. So I did the back piece is like a white snowflake paper with some peppermints in there. And then I ran the little popcorn kernels through in yellow and put those in there just so they're like part of the shaker mix. And then on the top, I just puffed up some white kernels to mix in. You know how popcorn, it's like half white, half yellow. And it does have like little embossing detail on the kernels, stitching detail around the frame of the popcorn box. Such a cute die and a tiny little embellishment. I love it. And that is everything for today. And I will link everything down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.